Alright, what's up YouTube? So in this video, we have a Raspberry Pi 3, and then we have the Retrocade. And I have a Rash Tube with us today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring him in, and he has a TV, he has an HDMI cord, he has power, and I just want to see, what's faster, setting up the Retrocade and playing games, or setting up the Raspberry Pi 3. Alright, welcome to Rash Tube.
Hi.
So what we have here is we have the TV. I'll turn on the TV, and what I want to do is you have HDMI, you have power here. One setup here is Raspberry Pi. The other setup is called the Retrobit Retrocade. And I want to see like which one was easier for you to plug in and then start playing games. So we're gonna getting through the config, huh?
Yeah, but what? How do you go down?
Game, okay? There it is. Okay. And then green. And then go ahead, hit it again. There you go.
Green or?
Yeah, that was correct.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun.
All right, you did it. Okay. All right, so we got it to play a Nintendo game. As you saw, some hiccups there. But all things considered, it was at 14 minutes, but we did run into a bad HDMI cable, a couple other things. But I would still say it took a solid 8 minutes or so, which is still pretty good, all things considered, so it did really well. So now let's move on to the Retrocade. Okay, this time we have instructions, you have the right HDMI cable. So let's go ahead and start this. But you've never seen this before. You've never used one of these, okay. So on your mark, get set, go.
I have to read this?
You don't have to. You can just figure it out. I just want you to hook up the system and get into a game.
Okay.
He starts to read the manual a little bit, but then just tries figuring things out. He definitely did the trial and error of just like poking things in different holes, but he definitely figured it out ultimately, and you're going to see here in a much, much quicker time.
Do you take this out? Oh, okay. Any game?
Yeah.
Sega.
All right, you did it. So that one, it took you 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Why was that one so much easier?
I don't know. Because like this one you have to put this, like slowly. You have to put one of these things.
The micro SD?
Yeah. And I don't know.
Yeah. We had a couple, it was kind of my fault too. I forgot to take out the old one.
Oh no, it's fine.
And then also you had to set up your controls, right? Remember the old one? You had to set up your controls and like it got stuck on the menu?
Yeah.
Yeah, where this one it just started playing, huh? See, now you're back.
Oh, wow. Easy.
Now how would you turn this off? How do you turn it off?
Turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay. So, God. So, is there like any sort of down thing?
I can't give you a hint yet. I want to see if you get it.
Turn this off again?
You got it! There you go!
What?
It's just the button, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. So then how do you turn it back on?
Huh?
You got it.
Wait, what do you say?
Yeah. Is that
No,
easier
Yeah.
than the Raspberry Pi?
Yeah, no, because like I remember you said that you have to like when you were like teaching me how to, not this like my
The Raspberry Pi, yeah.
Yeah, you were saying like you have to go to like settings things and like click on shut down or something there.
Yeah, you have to go start and then shut down, yeah. So you learned it that way, yeah. And then on PlayStation, how do you do it? You just hold down the PlayStation button, right? Or like Xbox?
No, you have to click on the shutdown thing.
On the menu?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, any final, so which one do you like better, the Retrocade or the Raspberry Pi?
I think so. There's more games in here.
Yes, there is, yes.
There is, I know. But this one is easier.
Yeah.
And if I pick like which games like I like, it's this.
Yeah.
Like which like easier, this.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Cool, well thank you. And how do people find you?
Yeah.
Nice.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing this. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, subscribe, and bye.
Bye. Next up, we have a 2-year-old.
No.
Which one?
1-year-old.
1-year-old.
1-year-old. Hey, buddy, which one? Okay, you got the remote. Okay.
Okay, you want
And then which one? Roman.
Hey, pick one.
Hey, pick one.
Oh, he wants both.
Oh, he went for the pie.
He's gonna eat it. Whoa. Give it to them.
No, let him. Let's see if he drops it.
How about this one?
How about this one?
If he's gonna drop. Oh, he hates that.
He doesn't like either.